guys! Welcome to my video again! Today, I'm gonna name some my stuffed toys. So, ang kulit ng baby girl ko. Sorry guys. Ang kulit lang. So, this is Foxy sa likod. Okay, okay, this is Foxy. Look. This is Foxy over yellow. Nakita mo siya, guys. Ito ang baby girl ni Casey. Yung ano niya. Tapos, ito si Figure, kapatid ni Green. No, Casey. And ito si Orange, guys. And wag-wag ko lang! Wag-wag! I'm gonna introduce you what up ni pangalan. So, guys, subscribe and like this video. Kinuha lang ni Grace yung ano. Sabi ko, no touch. So, I'm gonna, first guys, I'm gonna, hit that red subscribe button and like in this video. Please guys, cause we gonna go to one subscriber, guys. Thank you guys for supporting me, guys. And this is my baby girl Casey, and pinapakita niya yung doll ko. And God bless, guys. Ito si Lanky Box. Ano yung sabi nyo sa comments? Sabi mo si Boxy. Si Boxy. Kaso, ito si Boxy. Sabi mo name ay si yung my best friend, Foxy. Yun yung sinabi mong and this is Green. And siya, sabi mo pangalan ay, sabi mo? Ano po? Baby po. Yung baby po ni Casey pa yung pangalan, Princess. At yung pangalan ni Green ay yung favorite mo, guys. Subscribe! And pangalan ni Purple, introduce you. Pangalan of Casey. And this Charizard, hindi mo naman makita. Ito si Charizard. And this is my biggest fan. I love him. Look, this is and later we're gonna do a Lanky Box. Kaso yung cellphone ko, yung cellphone ko hindi ko na ginagamit. Gagamit ko mamaya, guys. See you on the next video. See you.